colors, or the sight as something unknown.
I have to say, they have the way they look at each other, and anyone that knows them and sees them, it's the way they look at each other, talk to each other. They are in each other's company. Their togetherness, their ease together is true love, and it's very hard to witness that in a lot of people these days. I have to say that it's one of those inspirational things that makes a father very, very proud. Now I have a new son, even more proud, right? Ladies and gentlemen, please be upstanding for your last course of therapy. The bride and groom.
I'm running a different way, so overwhelmed by you. 11 years older with pride running my shoulder.
All a mum and dad ever wants is for your child to grow up and find that person. That's just that person you want to spend the rest of your life with. Sarah and Alex, you're made for each other. And Alex, when I saw you looking at Sarah today, I turned to her dad and I said, that's the way you looked at me almost 32 years ago. So I know you've found your heart in Sarah.
Too strong to fake it. Lord, you waited so patiently for all this to finally hit me. 'Cause there is no weeping, there is no sorrow, 'cause you're holding me now, there's no...
Sarah, you look absolutely stunning tonight. So beautiful. Me and Sarah have known each other since we were babies, and we have this sort of friendship that if we don't see each other for weeks or months, nothing ever changes with each other. She's the sort of friend that everyone needs in their life. I can't think of another couple that is more perfect for each other in their own way, and like the rest of the people in this room, I look forward to the chapter in their lives. To be part of this group of friends I've gotten to know and watched this couple grow is such a blessing.
Cause there is no weeping, there is no sorrow, 'cause you're holding me now, there's no rules to follow. 'Cause there is no weeping, there is no sorrow, 'cause you're holding me now, there's no rules to follow. I know you are now, I'm running a different way, so overwhelmed by you. 11 years older with pride running my shoulder was a brick too hard to break. Resisting the cold, she's a young and humble mother in a park. She sits and waits. But when I looked into her eyes, guess what I recognized? A love too strong to fake it. Lord, you waited so patiently for all this to finally hit me. 'Cause there is no weeping, there is no sorrow, 'cause you're holding me now, there's no rules to follow. I know who you are now, I'm running a different way, so overwhelmed by you, Jesus. 'Cause there is no weeping, there is no sorrow, 'cause you're holding me now, there's no rules to follow. 'Cause there is no weeping, there is no sorrow, 'cause you're holding me now, there's no rules to follow. I know you are now, I'm running a different way, so overwhelmed.
I believe we were meant to meet in this lifetime.
You okay?
You keep me up when I am weak. You give me courage and strength when I need it most. And you have always helped me to be a better version of myself. I cherish you and the life we have together, and I'm so proud to be your wife.
Sarah, I promise to love and care for you. I will always be kind, honest and faithful. I will respect you, encourage you and cherish you. Most of all, I promise to be a true and loyal friend.
Lovely, thank you. This ring is a token
This ring is a token
of my love and devotion to you.
of my love and devotion to you.
I pledge to you
I pledge to you
all that I am
all that I am
and all that I will ever be
and all that I will ever be
as your husband.
as your husband.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I gladly marry you
I gladly marry you
and join my life to yours.
and join my life to yours.
Okay, Sarah? When you're ready. When you're ready.
This ring is a token
Of my love and devotion
of my
to
love
you.
and devotion to you.
I pledge to you
I pledge to you
all that I am
all that I am
and all that I will ever be
and all that I will ever be
as your wife.
as your wife.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I gladly marry you
I gladly marry you
and join my life to yours.
and join my life to yours.
Sarah and Alex, as your hands are bound together now, so your lives are bound in a union of love and trust. We have green ribbon to symbolise prosperity, finances, fertility and health. We have the white ribbon to symbolise concentration, meditation, purity and peace. We have the gold ribbon to symbolise energy, wealth, intelligence and longevity. It is my joyful responsibility to officially pronounce you husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Sherwin.
I ain't trading my youth for no suit and jacket. I ain't giving my freedom for your money instead.
I'd like to start by just saying how great Sarah looks and the bridesmaids today. I mean, come on, guys, have a look. This is just super. Look, I know Sarah, Denise, and myself know Sarah now nearly 7 years, and she came into the house and she was just marvellous, bubbly, great stuff. And like Alex was so lucky to get her. And in fairness, Sarah was so lucky to get Alex. Well done, and what a lovely couple. And please God, have a happy, long, healthy and happy marriage.
So don't say I'm getting colder, 'cause I'll say it when I do. 'Cause everybody I know
I'm honoured to stand here and to say a few words for you both. And the whole day in general has been exceptional, and I'm extremely proud of both of you. But most of it will probably go to Sarah. I think everyone agreed that she looks amazing, and Alex is a lucky man. I'm not one for big speeches, but I'd like you all to join me in wishing the new Mr. and Mrs. Sherwin all the wealth, health and happiness in the world to the bride and groom.
some of us just hoping, some of us just hoping the world will move on slowly. Some of us is alive, but we're all gonna die one day. Yeah, some of us surviving, some just a right remember. Mother kept happy when she could. Weather in December.
Sarah, you're the best bride anybody could ever ask for. You're beautiful, funny, honest and caring. There's no words to sum up how much I feel about you. I'm so proud that you agreed to spend the rest of your life with me. Today wouldn't have been this great without all the meticulous planning and effort you put into it, from you choosing the location and the decor to arranging the alpacas to greet the guests on the lawn. It's been truly magical, and I'd like to say a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart. I could go on all evening for the amount of love that I have, but there isn't enough time in the day to fully express the love I have for you. Hopefully I have enough during the rest of our life together.
He tries to kill you. And you allow it. Just to remember the morning light I'll never be. Watching like forever was just my mind escaping me. Invitation later, the smell of blood left on the sheets. Was that your way of proving we look the same from underneath? So tell me what happens when the waves break and you're surrounded. He tries to kill